What is up, guys? So my name is Austin, and I'm going to be going over a lot of different things on this channel, right? Anything from doing marketing, digital marketing, website building, content writing, keyword research, graphic design, animations, anything of that sort when it comes to marketing, right? All the way to crypto. So anything to do with platforms, how to buy, when to sell, looking at the different trading platforms, right? Digital wallet, hard wallet, Exodus, the Ledger Nano X, and then going on to the best time to look at the markets as well, because crypto doesn't sleep. So all the way around, I own a business called AOK Digital Marketing, and we do anything from SEO, lead generation, web analysis, content writing, um, you know anything from cold calls, screencasts, the whole 9 yards, guys. We do it all. So Facebook ads, Instagram, anything to do with social media, we do it as well. So anything from that, the crypto related stuff, guys, let me know if y'all need help. Go ahead and visit aokdigitalmarketing.com. And then also we have a Facebook page, Instagram page, cryptokeepershq.com. Once again, cryptokeepershq for headquarters.com. That's going to be our new website, the latest and greatest about crypto. And it's a private group that we allow to bring people kind of together in a community. And we go over when to buy, when to sell, when to trade, how to transfer, and then also kind of what coins to look at, right? Because a lot of people like to do a pump and dump, or they invest in certain coins that are just, they follow different blockchains. Maybe it's a new coin that we developed, or a new coin that we found, or how to mine stuff as well. So guys, for awesome content, go ahead, like and subscribe to this, and we will go from there. Y'all have a good one.